23 right.
Jet 3,500 feet, cleared ILS, approach runway 23 right on heading west, so it's back to Papa.
Right, taxi Tango 1, Channel 051 Bravo.
800 feet, you have 20 miles, speed 220 knots.
The 5 Fox reducing 220 knots, descending 3,500.
Manchester radar, good afternoon, Ryanair 3 uniform, descending flight level 80 to be over by Dane, speed 240 knots, and information Tango.
Ryanair 3 uniform, Manchester radar, Etihad approach runway 23 right, information is Victor, just say again your cleared level please.
We've cleared flight level 80, Ryanair 3 uniform.
Roger. Jersey 6 Hotel Papa, speed 160 knots or greater to 4 miles.
Speed 160 or greater to 4 miles, Jersey 6 Hotel Papa.
Jersey 6 Hotel Papa, contact tower 118.630.
118.630, Jersey 6 Hotel Papa. Bye.
Left answer 5 Juliet Foxtrot, speed 180 knots.
Over the 5 Fox, speed 180.
Ryanair 3 uniform, descend flight level 70, fly heading 350 degrees.
Descend flight level 70, fly heading 350 degrees, Ryanair 3 uniform.
Jet 65 Golf, descending flight level 80 to Mersey. Information Victor, Boeing 757, QNH 1005.
Jet 65 Golf, Manchester radar, Etihad approach runway 23 right, descend flight level 70, leave Mersey, heading 090 degrees.
Roger, descend flight level 70, leave Mersey, heading 090 degrees.
4 miles.
It is 1654 out of flight to Papa.
Tango 051 Bravo, runway 22 left, clear to takeoff, surface in 2204 knots.
Runway 22 left, clear takeoff, Channel 051 Bravo.
That's to Papa. Goodbye.
Bye. Left answer 5 Juliet Foxtrot, turn left heading 270 degrees, cleared ILS approach runway 23 right.
Over the 5 Fox, left heading 270, cleared ILS 23 right.
Asterisk 53 Papa, Manchester, continue approach 23 right, wind 220 degrees, 6 knots.
Continue approach, runway 23 right, and descend 5
uniform, contact director, call center 121.855.
121.855, Ryanair 3 uniform, bye-bye.
Good afternoon, Jersey 649 Bravo, descending flight level 80 towards Dane, speed 250 knots or greater, dash 8 with Victor including. Was there another station standing by?
Progress, and then Echo and November Bravo, hold on November Bravo.
Delta 2, pick up the follow me and then continue Echo November Bravo to hold on November Bravo from the 65 Delta.
It will be more than 2 or 3 minutes, stand 203 eventually.
Subject 65.
Altitude 3,000 feet, turn right heading 180 degrees.
And altitude 3,000 and the right heading 180 degrees, back stand 709.
Jersey 649 Bravo, speed 160 knots to 4 miles.
160 knots, 4 miles, Jersey 649 Bravo.
Jersey 649 Bravo, contact tower now 118.630, bye-bye.
118.630, Jersey 649 Bravo, climb.
Charlie 6 Charlie Sierra, direct to G'day, number 4, descend to altitude 4,000 feet, speed back 180 knots.
Altitude 4,000 feet, 180 knots, Tennessee, Charlie Sierra.
Good approach, Jersey 649 Bravo.
Channel 051 Bravo, contact ground 121.855.
Ground 121.855, Channel 051 Bravo, thanks.
Jersey 9 Kilo Charlie, runway 23 right, clear land, wind 230 degrees, 7 knots.
So 160 right, Jersey 9 Kilo Charlie.
And welcome back, taxi via Alpha and Delta, hold at Delta 2.
Alpha, Delta, hold at Delta 2, Channel 051 Bravo.
09, descend to altitude 2,500 feet, turn right heading 195, cleared ILS, runway 23 right.
Descend altitude 2,500 feet and right heading 195, clear by ILS 23 right, Pakistan 709.
Charlie Sierra, turn left heading 270 degrees. Descent to altitude 3,500 feet, cleared ILS, runway 23 right.
Still ahead again, sorry.
Charlie 8 Charlie Sierra, left heading 270 degrees, descent to altitude 3,500 feet, cleared ILS 23 right.
You left 270 degrees, descent to altitude 3,500 feet, clear to ILS 23 right, 70 Charlie Sierra.
Down to 1 hotel, turn right heading 015.